going to teach you how to automate Perplexity using n8n. This is a straightforward process that will help streamline your workflows and ensure that you can manage tasks more efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Perplexity website. This is where we will set up the initial phase of the automation. Once you're on the site, locate the All Settings option. You'll usually find this on the main menu or in the drop-down options, depending on how the website is laid out. Clicking here will take you to a new page where you can manage the technical aspects of your Perplexity account. Now, from the All Settings menu, look for the API section. Clicking on API will allow you to create new groups and manage your API settings, which is crucial for connecting Perplexity with n8n. Once you're in the API section, go ahead and click on Create a new API group. It's important here to fill out all the fields accurately. You'll be asked to provide an API group name, something relevant like automation. Additionally, input a short description, something along the lines of testing basic automation with Perplexity API. For clarity, alongside this, don't forget to enter your address details, address line 1, city, state, zip, and country. These details, often required for verification, need to be correctly filled in to save the API group. After you're done, click Save to create your group. As soon as the group is created, go ahead, click into it, and copy the generated API key. This key is essential to link your n8n workflow, so ensure it's kept secure and never shared publicly. With the API key ready, the next step is to navigate over to n8n by opening it in your browser. n8n is a powerful tool for automation, and we're going to set up a workflow using it. Once you're in n8n, click on Create Workflow. This will open up a fresh canvas for your automation task. Here, you'll decide on what triggers your workflow. For new users and simpler automation processes, select the option that triggers the workflow when you click a button in n8n. This is particularly helpful for testing and getting started quickly without having to dive into more complex triggers right away. After this trigger is set, you can finalize your setup by clicking on Execute Workflow. This step essentially runs the process you've just created, allowing you to see it in action and make any necessary adjustments. And that's it. You've now automated Perplexity through n8n. By following these steps, you can create an efficient automated flow that integrates your tools seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.